In this session, we'll guide you through the essential skills, powerful tools, and strategic roadmap that will help you stand out and succeed in the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is no longer a specialized niche, it's at the heart of digital transformation across industries. From personalized healthcare to algorithmic trading, ML engineers are driving innovation by building intelligent systems that can learn, adapt, and operate at scale. As we step into 2025, the demand for skilled ML engineers continues to surge, especially in areas like MLOps and ethical AI deployment. Let's begin with the core competencies. You'll need a solid grasp of programming, especially in Python, along with R and SQL. But ML is not just about code. Your foundation in mathematics, linear algebra, statistics, and calculus is what enables you to understand how models work under the hood. These skills are critical for creating robust, reliable, and interpretable machine learning solutions. To truly excel, you must understand how machine learning works at a conceptual level. Start with the basics: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Learn how to engineer powerful features from raw data and choose the right evaluation metrics, such as precision, recall, and F1 score, to measure model performance effectively. Strong fundamentals will guide your decisions at every stage of model development. Deep learning and natural language processing are reshaping how we interact with technology. Dive into neural networks, CNNs for images, RNNs for sequences, and explore cutting-edge transformer models like BERT and GPT. Whether it's building chatbots, summarizing documents, or analyzing sentiment, NLP is a skill set that's more in demand than ever. As an ML engineer, your tools are your power. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch form the foundation of model building. For working with language models, explore Hugging Face and LangChain. And when it comes to managing experiments and deploying models, tools like MLflow, DVC, Gradio, and Bento ML are essential parts of your stack. Today's ML solutions must scale, and that's where MLOps comes in. Learn how to build C/CD pipelines tailored to machine learning workflows. Master Docker for containerization, Kubernetes for orchestration, and GitHub Actions for automation. Cloud platforms like AWS SageMaker, Azure ML, and GCP Vertex AI empower you to train and deploy models at scale, securely and efficiently. Practical experience is your best teacher. Start with impactful projects like fraud detection using classification models, stock price prediction with time series analysis, or disease diagnosis through image recognition. Even something like a face attendance system can showcase your skills in computer vision. Real-world projects demonstrate your ability to solve problems, not just write code. There are multiple career tracks in machine learning. You could be an ML engineer focusing on deployment, a data scientist uncovering insights, or an AI researcher exploring new frontiers. Freelancing, startups, and enterprise teams all offer exciting opportunities. Pursue certifications, apply for internships, and engage with the community to build both expertise and credibility. Never stop learning, especially in a fast-moving field like ML. Use platforms like Coursera, Fast.ai, edX, and Kaggle to build and sharpen your skills. Explore open-source projects on GitHub, and follow trusted YouTube channels like 3Blue1Brown or Sentidex. Stay connected through AI newsletters, podcasts, and forums to keep your knowledge fresh and relevant. To wrap up, focus on building a strong, diverse portfolio of projects. Contribute to open-source communities to sharpen your skills and gain visibility. Network actively on LinkedIn and GitHub, attend local meetups or virtual conferences, and stay updated with the latest trends and breakthroughs. Above all, stay curious and consistent. The field of machine learning is vast, and your journey has only just begun. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video gave you a clear direction toward becoming a successful machine learning engineer in 2025. If you found this helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, classmates, or colleagues who are also exploring a career in ML. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on AI, machine learning, and career tips. Your support means a lot and helps us continue creating content that empowers learners like you. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.